Okay, guys, so we're talking about this challenge that might not be a challenge, it just might be fun that we're gonna have everybody kind of try to participate in, and it's a nature participate. It's a nature video challenge or picture. So you're gonna send in your best, favorite, most recent, most interesting video or picture of something happening in nature, like birds, butterflies, a ladybug, a tree, lizard, just anything.
A
anything.
lizard! Don't say snakes!
Well, they could send in snakes.
No!
I won't like snakes, but they can send in snakes. So we were here talking. I said, I could give a prize, which is gonna be a science kit, and then Little Hands is gonna tell you what prize he's gonna give. What prize are you gonna give them?
I'm still thinking on it.
Still thinking about it. Okay, so as soon as he figures it out, I'll let y'all know. But try it out. Try to send us your nature-inspired video or nature-inspired photo. Thank y'all. Hope y'all have fun. Make sure to have lots of fun. Take the family along and just have fun.